You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce this word and more vocabulary that many get confused by, and onomatopoeias too. Achoo, achoo, or some say it also as achoo, achoo, or achoo, or achoo. Yeah, also more videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations like this video. If you found it useful, appreciate your support, and thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced like this video. If you found it useful, I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.